So I wanted to do a quick video about how I store my yarn. I used to store them in either plastic containers, or I would put them in bags, or I try to put them in like a calyx cubby thing, but that also became very messy. And so this is what I've settled on. And my yarn has probably been stored like this for maybe 2 years now, and it's a pretty good working system, I think, for me. For me, the problem with storing them in containers was that I would put it away somewhere and then I would forget about it. Like I went to my parents' house and I found this container of yarn that I had bought in high school, and I totally forgot that it even existed. And so this is a way for me to see my yarn and to see how much yarn I have, and that I shouldn't buy more yarn because I have plenty. So this is made from pegboards from Home Depot. There's like plastic ones. And then I have these little doodads. I think I have like 4-inch and 6-inch ones. And then I just stick the yarn on that essentially. So I have it organized by color. So it starts kind of out like whites, light pastels, reds, and then blues, and then to my grays and blacks. It's worked pretty well. And then I bought more yarn, so then I had a second pegboard that I was using for my Cricut stuff and miscellaneous craft things. And so then I use that pegboard now to keep the yarns that I'm currently using for my whips. And yeah, that's how I store my yarn. And then I'll show you later my Cricut stuff.